how to fix health app not working or not tracking steps on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your health application not tracking or not working on your iPhone. So first thing what you can do is just head over to your settings, and once you're inside here, scroll down until you see the option called privacy and security. So once you're inside here, once again scroll down and until you see this health application option. So just tap on it and make sure you have selected the health. It is showing the health and fitness option. So if it's not showing there, what you can do is just scroll down until you see this motion and fitness option and just tap on it and make sure you have enabled both of this option, and make sure you restart your health application or restart your iPhone and again reopen the health application, and it should successfully start tracking and working. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.